Welcome to the module demonstration for the visitor tracker. The visitor tracker basically tracks all the visitors that has come to the organization. It also tracks the history of the visits, and in case a visitor is returning to the organization, lot of data can be defaulted for the visitor. So I'm just going to add a new visitor tracker. So it puts a ID. So for example, we have a new visitor called Vinay S. So he is from a company called 22/7. His email is vinay@22/7.in. His contact cell number is 9880647936. ID provided is company ID. Then whom to meet, you can also select saying that he has come to meet Mr. Ellen Mishra. Purpose of visit is official. Then confirmed with employee is fine. Visitor batch number is 21. Magnetic media, if any, no. If he is carrying a laptop, you can select the captive serial number CNU 53905JB, and then need to connect network, not required. So time in, we can put, say he came in at 11:30, and when he moves out of the company, we can put the timeout. So now I save this. So, and I also can print this. So basically it will create a get pass kind of thing in case we want to print a get pass. So now you see the Vinay's record is there, and you can also suppose you want to track who this new person has come in once again. So you can just say that and say new visit. So it will automatically create all the information that is already there. So we just have to put in time in at, say again he came at 3:30, and okay, it has to be 03. Save. So now visitor batch number also I have to put. So that kind of tracks the details of a new visit.